Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Adobe Acrobat so you can customize your PDFs easily and professionally. Step 1. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This is the program you use to view and edit PDF files, and opening it is the first step to making any changes. Step 2. Next, click on the three-line hamburger menu at the top and select Document Properties. This menu gives you access to all the settings for your PDF documents. Step 3. In the Document Properties window, click on Fonts and then choose Font Options. This section lets you manage the fonts that are available in Adobe Acrobat. Step 4. Now, click Choose Font and navigate to the folder on your computer where the font files are stored. This helps you locate the new fonts you want to add. Finally, select the fonts you want to add and click OK to apply them in Adobe Acrobat. Once done, these fonts will be available for use in your PDFs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.